Hello guys, let's learn some colors and 2D shapes. This is brown color, dark green color, black color, olive green color. This is blue color, purple color, grey color, dark pink color, yellow color, light green color, light pink color, red color. This is blue color. Let's draw the shape. Triangle. Octagon. Oval. Heart. Star. Square. Pink color. Triangle. 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 Pink color, green color, octagon. Octagon. Green color, grey color, oval, 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 grey color, red color, heart, heart, red color, olive green color, star, 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 olive green color, yellow color, square, square, yellow color, pink color, green color, grey color, red color, olive green color, yellow color, triangle, octagon, oval, heart, star, square. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.